Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add gradients to shapes in Canva. This is a great way to give designs a modern and visually appealing look. Now let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, if we want to add gradient colors to shapes, the first thing we need to do is add a shape like this. For this example, we will add square shapes, triangles, and then a diamond. If we want to add a color to these shapes, we just need to click the shapes and then click the color option in the upper part of the dashboard. Once we have this open, we can choose the gradient colors we want. This technique allows us to apply gradient colors to shapes by using Canva elements or layering effects. It also creates depth, smooth color transitions, and more eye-catching visuals in our designs. Now, all we have to do is choose the color we want. As we can see, there is a lot of variety. It's not just the diamond. We can choose different gradients depending on our preferences and what color or gradient we want to use. We can also create a custom gradient color by choosing colors here, adding new colors, and choosing the gradient. We can customize it here depending on our preferences. That's how we add gradients to shapes in Canva. With this simple method, we can enhance our designs and make them stand out.